What is going on, everybody? It is your boy Midwest Biker Boy, man. And today I got some good and some bad news to get to y'all guys, man. So the bad news is I went down on my bike. So that's unfortunate. Good news is I was not injured. It wasn't serious. I wasn't going that fast. So it's nothing really major at all. But I definitely low-sided, and I definitely learned from the mistake that I made when I low-sided. So I don't think I'll have that issue again, but I'm just going to show y'all guys the bike real quick so y'all can see the damage. As you can see, we scraped our wing from when we low-sided. Obviously that frame protector did what it was supposed to do because it is like beat up right now. And then I got some scrapes down there. And honestly, the biggest thing is my foot peg is gone. I got it, but it just broke off, so I'm just gonna see if there's a way that I can, like, temporarily get it back on the bike. Thankfully, besides that, it was nothing major. This also broke, but it's still on there, but I will be getting that replaced. I got all the replacement parts already, so I'm happy about that. Luckily, the guards kind of also did something for my clutch throttle here, my clutch here. Luckily, I do have new levers and also lever guards that I already purchased. I just never even got a chance to use those. So luckily, I'll just be able to use those. But yeah, man, I'm gonna actually take you guys back to where it happened at, so I can just kind of show you my mindset when it happened and what I did wrong and what I would not be doing again. So yeah, I'll be right back, man. So yeah, what I went along and did, man, I just taped this up as much as I could. It feels sturdy. We're gonna see what happens. But I mean, until I get the new pegs here, I really don't know what I'll be able to do in the meantime. But yeah, man, it's raining, but like I'm not worried. Like I still trust myself on the bike, like 100%. But shit happens, bro. You live and you learn, man. I'm still a very, very new rider, so something in my head tells me that I kind of needed that, just to like bring me back down to earth, humble me a little bit, man. Because I'm definitely not like a cocky person, but like I'll definitely tell you like when I'm confident in my abilities. And for the most part, I feel super confident when I'm on this bike, bro. Also, if you look at this light here, I did take the ABS out like a couple weeks ago, so that could be like a factor into why I slid the way I slid, because I just probably wasn't used to going around a turn like that without having that ABS to save me. So now I know, like, ABS or not, I gotta ride the right way. But like I said, bro, shit happens, bro. Hey, it happened less than 24 hours ago, and I'm able to still ride the bike, so I'm happy about that, bro. More than anything, for real. And hopefully, with me having an accident, or I guess you could say personal accident, this early on, obviously it's still likely to happen. Like, just because you crash once don't mean you're not gonna crash ever again. But hopefully, I just get it out the way, so I'm not even like anticipating like, oh, when's my first crash gonna be? I've already crashed, so hopefully I don't even think about it no more. Hopefully I just try to correct the mistake that I made, and I don't even worry about crashing, for real. Oh yeah, this foot peg is gonna fall off again. And yeah, man, like I said, I think I just got too cocky going around this turn, bro. And yeah, it was right here, so I'm gonna show y'all boys, man. So you can still see where my foot peg hit, bro. So yeah, bro. My bike literally ended up like right here. You can see from my frame slider where it slid, like where I stopped at, like, but this is all frame slider. And you can see on here that it's really like ate up. Like, I was coming from Planet Fitness. I I got a good ass workout in, and I met a guy on a Harley. He was kind of like a new rider, just like me, that started a few months ago. And I got his number. We was like, all right, bet we gonna ride in the future, bro. You know what I'm saying? And literally like 5 minutes after he left, I left, and I did this, bro. But yeah, bro. So I was coming out the parking lot, and like I said, I think I got too cocky. I was pushing the corner super fast, and also I didn't have ABS, so I didn't have that to save me. So I was leaned over pretty like low because I was going fast. So I was almost like, I remember like I was leaned, bro. So as I was leaned, the bike just slid from under me, bro. Like it kind of spun out. It's like it leaned, then it spun out. I let go of it, and that bit just slid, bro. That bit just slid, bro. Ended up right here. It was like, it was on the left side, so this side was pushed over that way. It was like facing this way. Luckily, it's a light bike, so I was able to lift it up. My shifter was jammed. I thought I had a broken bike for real, bro. My shifter was jammed. Like I said, the frame slider got damaged. Something minor here, but these aren't even broke, you know, they're scraped. So thankfully those didn't scrape. But I do feel like my shifter is like lower down. I feel like my hand was a little higher, so I might have to look into that. And like I said, man, there's this piece right here, which is very minor. You know, I got this ordered already. I'm blessed. It could have been a lot worse. It could have been a car behind me that could have made the situation even worse. So I'm blessed, bro. I'm thankful that nothing serious happened. And yeah, bro, we're gonna get this good workout in. I'm gonna re-go around this curve when I leave and fucking not do what I did last time, learn from my mistakes. And yeah, bro, it's gonna be a good ass day. See y'all on the other side. Just got done working out. This is the nicest Planet Fitness I've ever been to. If y'all watch my other videos, I just moved to Michigan. Probably about 3, almost 4 months at this point. But this is the nicest Planet Fitness I've ever seen. I need to go here. This is indoor skydiving. And that is the sweetest Carvana, like, or even just rental car company I've ever seen. This is the sweetest setup I've ever seen. I worked for Enterprise before, and we didn't have anything like this. I've never seen a rental company have the vehicles on display like in levels like that. But yeah, man, just got done working out, and our goal is to not fucking slip where we were just at, because that was literally less than 24 hours ago. I damn slipped and damaged the bike a little bit. I didn't even see this little scrape right here, but that's all good, bro. She still looks good. She's still rolling. That's what's most important, man. Like, she's still rolling. No damage on the right side at all. It's flawless over on this side. As I showed you guys, this piece messed up. I got my damn foot peg taped up right now, just so I can still kind of rest my foot on it. If it ends up falling off, it's okay. I got the replacement parts ordered. I can replace this. This is replaceable. Like I said, there's some scrapes on these buttons right here. I don't know if I can get a whole new setup, but either way, everything's still functional. My shifter was jammed up, bro. It was definitely, oh wow.
Hey, yo, what the
That should never happen. Okay. That should never happen. Hopefully that's not anything I have to worry about. Hopefully. Unless my adjustments may just be too close to that friction zone, so I'm gonna just twist this back and try to lock it back in. But nothing seems like off as far as my wiring or like how it shifts. It drives normal, so I'm hoping that that's it, man. I didn't mention this, but I fell on my hip, and I got like a little boo-boo in there. It looks like a turf burn. I really just like scraped the surface of my skin. It was bleeding a little bit, but like nothing crazy. Biggest thing I'm upset about is like my pride is hurt more than anything, man. Because I'm not the one that really makes mistakes. I haven't had a car accident in shit since I was in high school, for real. And neither of those accidents were my fault. So You know, I'm confident in my abilities. Oh, my kickstand is scraped too. And this is just a cover. That's scraped, but that's okay. I could just remove that. But yeah, bro. I'm about to head to Target. Grab some protein, some milk, and some oats, some oatmeal. And we're gonna get home, bro. And I'm gonna try to repicture it for you. So I had just met a guy on a Harley. He was a new rider like me. He left 5 minutes before me, and then when I left, I damn slid. I was probably just hella excited because this is a tight curve, and I was coming around too hot, bro. And I fucking spun out, man. Like I said, you can still see the trail right there, but I'm just glad that nothing super bad happened. It definitely could have been worse, but it wasn't, thank God. Backpack is packed. Take a little shortcut right here. I think my mistake was I accelerated too quick. And I was still in the turn. So it wasn't enough grip on that rear wheel for me to continue to go around that turn that way. And that's exactly what I did. They always say get a used bike as your first because you know you're going to go down. And it took me almost 3,000 miles to go down, but you know it is what it is, man. Shit happens, bro. But yeah, man, that's it for me. It was Midwest Biker Boy, man. Keep my bike in your prayers. Let's hope it's nothing crazy as far as damage going on here. And I'm gonna see y'all on the next one, man. Stay tuned. It's only up from here. We're gonna keep elevating. Might have one or two setbacks, but that's not gonna stop the grind, bro. I promise you. We're gonna keep going, man. I promise. And I'm gone, man. Peace.